Hello, today we will guide you through how to add payment method on Trading 212. In this walkthrough, we'll move step by step to the exact place where payment methods are added, and I'll share a few tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. First, go to Trading 212. Open the Trading 212 website in your browser or launch the app, and make sure you're on your main screen where you can access your account options. Having a reliable internet connection helps here, especially when you're updating account details. Next, click the three lines at the top of the screen. This is the main menu icon, often called the hamburger menu. It expands the side panel with all the key sections you'll need. If the menu doesn't open right away, give it a second, or try tapping again to ensure it fully expands. Now scroll down and click on Settings. The Settings area is where Trading 212 groups together your preferences and account controls. If your list is long, keep scrolling until you see Settings. It's usually near the lower portion of the menu. Selecting this will take you to a screen focused on configuration rather than trading. Inside Settings, click on My Account. This section holds your personal information, security controls, and account-specific options. It's the place to manage the details tied to your profile, separate from market or portfolio views. From there, click on Financial Details. This is the hub for your funding preferences. Here you'll find the controls related to how you add or manage payment methods that can be used for deposits and, depending on your region and account type, for withdrawals. Availability can vary by location and verification status, so what you see may differ slightly. Here you can add a payment method. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter the details for the method you want to add. Common options can include a debit or credit card or a bank account based on what Trading 212 supports in your country. Make sure the name and billing address match your Trading 212 account details to avoid verification issues. Double-check numbers like card digits or IBANs for accuracy, and use a secure network when entering sensitive information. If the platform asks for additional confirmation, such as a one-time code or 3D Secure check, complete that verification to finish linking the method. Once saved, your new payment method will appear in your financial details and will be available when you go to fund your account. That's it. You've navigated to Menu, then Settings, selected My Account, opened Financial Details, and added your payment method. If you ever need help, the in-app help or support section can guide you based on your region and account type.